Hi friends, welcome to Government Job Preparation Center. So in this video, I'm going to explain you about general intelligence, okay, coding and decoding. And this is class 1 guys. From now onwards, we are going to discuss each and every video and each and every topic about reasoning, aptitude and GK and also English. Okay, so from now onwards, I will take daily 5 to 6 videos guys, okay. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel so that you can get notification about all our new videos, okay. So first, this is class 1 and this is the first class of coding and decoding, so listen it carefully guys, okay. So first it would be easy, that means it's a basic questions guys, okay. So this is easy. So if you like our video, then hit like button and share this video guys, and subscribe to our channel. Okay, so first, our question is, if face coded as GBDF, then how BAD will code it? So he asked in this question, if face, that means FACE coded as GBDE. So this face is coded as this thing in any manner. That means we don't know how this face is coded as this thing, and then how BAD will be coded. So this thing has coded um, by this thing, and then how BAD will code it. Okay, so in here we should have to check how this face has coded to this thing. First we have to check this face has coded to this thing, how this face has coded to this GBDF. So let us check this thing guys, okay. So first we should have to check the face, so how this G will arrive. So how this F, after adding one alphabet, so after next alphabet of F it's G guys, okay. So after adding +1 to this F, then G will comes, okay. And after adding +1 to this A, the B will comes, and adding +1 to the C, the D will comes, and after adding +1 to E, the F will comes guys, okay. So that means this has arrived guys for us, okay. This has come to us. So in the same way of this thing, okay, we should have to check this thing also guys, okay. So first bed will be coded, then how the bed will be coded. So first the bed B, we should have to add +1 in the same as like this thing, okay. +1, that means C, and we should have to add +1 to the A as similar to this thing, then it's B, and +1 to the D and E, and +1 to the E, that means F. So this is CBEF. The code is so CBEF, okay. It will be coded as CBEF. So the answer is CBEF guys, okay. And next, so guys, the next, see, if Delhi is coded as FGNJK, then how Madras coded, okay. So in this he asked, this Delhi has coded to this thing, that means FG and JK, and how Madras coded. So he's asking how this Madras is coded. So here this is the different way as that thing as our previous question. So in our previous question we have only added +1, but in this question we should have to add +2, okay. In the same way, you should have to see how this thing has coded to this thing, and the next we should have to code this, okay. We should have to code this particular thing with the another as like to the previous thing, okay, previous manner. So first Delhi is coded as FG and JK, and how Madras is coded. So Madras first, we check Delhi, okay. So first Delhi D, that means we should have to add +2 so that we can get F. This is this thing, okay. And we should have to add +2 for E, that means E and F. And next what? F. And next what was the next alphabet of E, that is F, and next alphabet of F, that is G, that means +2. After 2 it will okay, G will comes guys, okay. And L +2, add +2, then N will comes, and add +2 for H, and J will comes, okay. Add +2 for I, K will comes, okay guys. So we have uncoded this thing, okay. And for Madras, in the same way, we should have to add +2s as like a previous, okay. We can get this thing OCFTCU, that means MNO ABC D E F R S T A B C S T U. Okay, so this is the answer, guys. OCFTCU, and this was the answer. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share and like this video. Thanks for watching my video.